How to make AI logo Minecraft 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about AI and how you're going to be making a Minecraft logo for it in the easiest way. Now, when it comes to AI, the best thing that comes in my mind is ChatGPT because, what better AI? Now, if you want to go ahead and create a Minecraft style logo, what you're going to be doing is it all depends on your prompt. So let's say I'm going to create an image of a Minecraft style logo that says let's go with some type of formal text like YouTube, but do make sure that it looks exactly like Minecraft and add different elements of Minecraft in it. Okay. So let's go ahead and add that as a prompt. Okay. Now, once you do that, ChatGPT will simply go ahead and create a proper image for you. Okay. So in the case it doesn't do that, don't worry. What you can simply do is you can reamp the prompt. And in some cases, it might not create an exact replica of the Minecraft logo because, that would be perjury. But what it does is it does create you a proper, idea of it. So let's say I had this prompt over here: create an image of a Minecraft style logo which is block world, and do remember that it should be fully Minecraft styled. And look at that. Look at how cool that looks. It's exactly like Minecraft's, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty fun to work with, and you can even have ChatGPT do modifications on it. So basically, that is pretty much about it. That is how you can make an AI logo in Minecraft. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.